Unofficial and Unauthorized Tagalog Translation 2009. Hango sa Talmud Emmanuel, Chapter 6, verses 11 to 18. Magsagilangin nga kayo na nakapagtalos at tuloy manalangin ng ganito. Aking kamalayan, nalikha kang nakapaloob sa makapangyarihan sa lahat. Purihin ang iyong pangalan. Nawa ang iyong kaharian ay mapasa aking kabuuan. Nawa ang iyong kapangyarihan ay masiwalat sa aking kabuuan sa lupa at sa mga langit. Bigyan mo ako ngayon ng aking aral upang makilala ko ang aking mga kamalian at ang karunungan. At huwag mo akong ipahintulot sa tukso at kagulumihanan, kundi ilayo mo ako sa mali. Dahil sa iyo ang kahariang nasa aking kabuuan at ang kapangyarihan at ang karunungan magpakailanman. Yan nawa.
In a regional newspaper, it was recently written that then and then the tenure of the grave come to an end. The relative wants to pick up the gravestone that sounded so odd, the bone which then they then take out of their will be cremated. Sandali lang, lakihan ko lang ng konti at napakaliit sa... Okay, answer. That is simply not the same everywhere, but rather varies from place to place. In the past, it was so-called charnel houses in which the bones, respectively the skeleton, were kept. And there are still villages and cities, etc. today where the respect is paid and the bone and the skeletons are stored somewhere and not cremated. Ano yung topic natin
Sa
nito last?
simbahan, meron kanyan eh. Sa loob ng mga simbahan, binabayaran yun, may upa yun.
Ano yung last topic natin na bakit mention to? May answer siya sa taas. The question is always where the grave site is and those which exist depending on the case for only 15 or only 20 years before they are cleared out again. Oh, yung mga bangkay. Furthermore, there are also kind of burial cemeteries. So, example, given individual graves in which one corpse is buried. Then there are still so-called twin or triplet graves, which are such on two or three corpses are buried in the stage on one gravesite. O mga patong-patong ano, na mga
Pwede side by side.
mhm, pinagsasama-sama. I think
Mm.
yung tungkol dito, meron na sabi yung mister ko na after 10 years ata pwede na ang sa Pilipinas. Kukunin mo yung bangkay nung ano mo, nung asawa mo and then isasama na lang doon sa kabaong nung ano, isasama doon sa kabaong
Mm.
nung
5 years lang, pwede.
hindi, hindi
Excuse.
kasi ano yung biyanan kong lalaki, ano pa lang, 9 years and a half. So, balak nga sana para isang ano na lang, puntod sila, di ba ganon? So, nung ano, ayaw payagan. Ngayon ginawa nung mister ko, nilakad kasi sabi niya 6 months na lang naman halos. Bali 8 months na lang pala halos. Magte 10 years na yung tatay ko. Parang ganun. Ayaw siya nung unang payagan. Ay, alam mo naman sa Pilipinas, lagay-lagay. So, nalagyan. So, pinagsama na. Kaya iisang ano na lang sila ngayon. Isa na lang dinadalaw namin. Tapos yung pangalan, ganun.
Magkasama sa lapida.
Mm-mm.
mag public cemetery, maaaring magkalagayan.
Eh,
Pagka sa
yung five
private,
years kasi medyo fresh pa siguro ang laman nung ano, hindi,
pwede.
hindi
Hindi
pa
pa
gan.
totally closed.
Mm, kaya sasangsang pa yun. Siguro. Ah, pero dito ata sinasabi dito 15 years ano. O ayan sa taas. 15 years tapos meron pang kahit tatlong patong pwede siya. Meron.
Yung biyenan kong babae, kinailangang i-exhume at gagamitin yung pwesto. So kinuha nila, nilabas. It so happened na yung ginamit na ataol is metal casket. Yung talagang shield. So kahit na binabaha na yung lugar sa Makati Cemetery, kahit binabaha, hindi pinapasok ng tubig. And it turned out, yung katawan is still preserved. Ang nangyari lang yung isang malaking daliri sa paa na punggal. So, yung plano nila na gagamitin yung pwesto, mauunsyami. They decided ipinakremate para kaya ang bottom line ng sinasabi ko, kung kayo mangangailangan mag-decide, do not favor metal caskets. May tendency na uh,
Kalawang.
hindi kalawang, mag-seal, kaya walang decomposition na, o meron man, kaunti lang,
Mm.
napipigilan ng decomposition. So, the best is wooden coffin. Kaya
Yeah.
yung metal casket, dinirecycle pa ng iba eh. Nire-refurbish. Parang ang napakamahal sa kahit siguro refurbishment, mahal pa rin lalabas yan. Anyway, sige, proceed tayo.
Andito na si Cynthia. Welcome, Cynthia. Good morning. Meron na kaming
I know.
tagabasa.
Good morning. Yeah, I know. I don't know. I must have been really tired. I didn't hear again my alarm. I just happened to wake up. Thank goodness.
It's okay.
Yeah.
We just
Okay.
started anyway. Meron na kaming tagabasa. Sin, ikaw na magtuloy. Na kasi hindi naman ako
Okay.
marunong magbasa. Nandito
Okay.
na tayo sa question ng bat.
Okay. But okay, the question. But that is certainly an exception. A different conception is not possible. At least not in Switzerland. Answer. These are then called civilized countries. In other countries, the resting of the dead is esteemed, in which case the grave sites remain in place for so long until they break down by themselves. The mass of the overpopulation, unfortunately, leads to the fact that in certain industrialized countries, grave sites are becoming rarer and rarer, which on the one hand leads to the clearing out of the graves or to the burial in layers, simply that two or three corpses are buried on top of each other in the course of time. Question. That is not pleasant. Okay, where's the next one? Question. Also, consciously answer. That can
Wait,
only
wait,
then.
wait, wait. Anong
Oh,
page yung nakaraan kanina? Andali, bakit parang 96, so 98 dapat ang kasunod.
hmm.
92. Mhm. What's wrong with
We're
my
skipping
thing?
page.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay, ulitin ko lang to ha.
Okay.
96 to. Pasensyahan na po. Hindi ko alam
Mhm.
ano nangyari sa aking ano.
Wala naman kaming magagawa, ikaw lang marunong dyan eh.
Hindi. Tag dito. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari.
And knowledge is power.
Ah,
See, she knows.
bagal pa ng computer ko. Umiikot-ikot. Paikot-ikot.
Ayun.
96, 94. Balik tayo sa
Or so it
96.
should be 98, di ba?
Okay, here's the 98
Okay.
answer.
Answer. Okay. That is, oops. Oh, my eyes.
Okay.
That is okay, there you go. That's better. That is actually only the case with the Christianity in places where the Christians have their mouths up open, respectively, have something to say. with the Muslims, that is not done. A grave is a grave and remains a grave. Also, with the Jews, a grave is a grave and remains a grave. And then with the Hindus, if one, for example, takes certain groups of the Parsis, they throw their corpses onto the tower. What? They throw their corpses onto the Tower of Silence. There are then still grid nets in it, and then the vultures come and eat the flesh away. The bones then fall into the lower and remains lying there for hundreds or even thousands of years. There are still other practices. For example, in the Tibetan heights, there they cut their dead into pieces. They have their butcher's places on a rocky plateau where they chop off the limbs and the head of the corpses, and everything is dismembered. Then everything is thrown to the vultures, after which only the bones remain and are simply left lying around. Other countries, other practices, and customs. Question.
Oo.
But the
Pag-usapan
vultures.
pag-usapan muna natin
Ah,
'yan habang pag-usapan niyo muna habang inaayos ko 'yung para sa susunod na page. Um, para bang ang ano ng other culture para mabuti pa 'yung sa atin.
Ang hindi nabanggit dyan, yung itinatapon yung corpse sa ilog. Merong sa India yata yun. Pinalulutang sa ilog. I don't know, I'm not
oh,
sure. I'm not
no,
sure. No.
I think in India they
They burn.
burn.
They
They
burn.
burn.
Oh,
The
oh,
other cultures, for example, the what are they, the Norse people? I don't know whether this is something Scandinavian where they put them on a boat and then they
yes,
fire
that's what I'm
they
saying.
fire it.
Yes, yes, that's
Yeah,
what I'm
they
saying.
yeah, like I think maybe the Norsemen or Scandinavian. It's a Scandinavian thing. They put them on a boat, and then someone will fire an arrow with fire, and then they'll
Yes,
be on fire all the
yes,
way to the
yes, yes,
sea.
yes, yes.
That
That's what
looks so romantic. But anyway, that's what they. That's yeah,
mga
I don't like naman. I don't like naman to be butchered here and then thrown to the vultures. Oh my goodness.
Pero
They just, yeah.
makakatipid tayo kung gano'n ang mga ano 'no, tapos ito-throw mo na lang, 'di ka nagagastos ng coffin. Anyway,
Well, the best.
yung kakainin na lang ng mga uwak, at least nakapag ka ng ano, ng animal,
Practical.
'di ba? Naka-contribute ka pa sa
Well,
kain nila.
I just want to be fertilizer for, say, a sequoia tree or something. Be buried in the forest and then feed the tree or something like that.
In
Be
relation
fruitful.
diyan, may
Ah?
practice na yung katawan ililibing din. Pero on top of the body, naglalagay ng seedling ng mga puno. Uh,
Oh,
so in time, the tree will grow, and right under it are the bones of the dead.
I think that's good. I think I like that. The circle
Yeah.
of life. Yeah.
Oo, oo,
Yeah. Feed
oo,
feed the earth. Feed the earth, right?
oo, oo.
Yeah, I like that. Mhm. Who does that, June?
I'm not sure what country, but parang ang tono nung article na ikwento ko is modern ways of burial. Parang gano'n ang
Mm.
yung pakita. Parang logical ika ito na mayroong fertilizer yung puno sa kanyang paglaki.
Mm.
Nakabalot pa yung bagong puno at sa loob ng puno, sa loob ng sako, I'm sorry, I'm not sure, nakabalot yung ugat ng puno na ipapatong doon sa katawan na nasa hukay. So in the long run, mag, mabu, ma, maglalago yung puno at in the same time yung katawan naman na logical, sabi nga. Ako mas gusto ko na yung kaysa ron sa sinasabing cryogenic na
Oh yeah.
frozen remaining in time. It will run up against the idea of natural process, which is decomposition. Parang kapareho rin yun ng mummification. Hanggat maaari, ayaw nilang ma-decompose, pati yung laman,
Okay.
Well, I think
pinaka.
yeah,
Welcome,
that's
Tita
crazy.
Helen.
Yeah, hi,
Oh,
Helen. Yeah,
Tita.
I think that's crazy because when you think about it, you need people to maintain it. But what if there's a catastrophe or and then you're paying thousands to be preserved, and then they won't be able to preserve you because the system will fail if there's nobody to monitor the system, right?
Hindi ako sure kung yung mga mummies na nanggaling sa Egypt were well preserved. Wala akong idea what the outcome was ng kanilang mummification. Pero marami, as a matter of practice, talagang yan ang ginagawa. Balot na balot.
Well, yeah,
Ah,
they were doing that even with cats.
oo nga.
Animals.
Okay, let's
Oo.
continue
Anyway,
now.
okay, the question. But the vultures would certainly also take the corpses without these being dismembered, right? Answer. The method of the burial of corpses or disposal of corpses is simply that they chop up the corpses. As stated, other countries and peoples, other customs and practices. Question. Is that simply tradition? Oh, Helen is asking what page are we? I think that was page
98,
there, 598.
598 or 592.
598. Okay. All right, 598. The next question. Oh, well, is that simply tradition? Answer. That is simply tradition since time immemorial. Question. How is it then with the Orthodox Christians? How do they do that? Answer. How the whole thing is handled by them is also different. Thereby, it is always a question of which country they live in and which laws and ordinances exist with regard to the cemetery ordinance, etc. Also, the cult rules and the cult rituals, etc., are decisive. Therefore, one can also say other belief orientations, other cult rituals, and burial rituals, etc. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Another topic. Tapos na tayo sa mga corpse na yan.
Yeah, they have different ways also the way they I think prepare also like over in the hospital there's they have different ways they observe things like Muslims do things different way or they prepare the body a different way. So we have to respect that the cultural differences. All right. Question. Only the only the mental swinging waves, the spiritual swinging waves go away. Where's that? Question. Oh, two questions in a row. And the spiritual, that therefore does not create mental swinging waves. The spirit works nevertheless, which is why there is also indeed.
Cynthia, ano yung
Oh,
binabasa mo? Nasa page 600 tayo.
well, wait a minute.
Mag,
Oh, I
mag-i-start
don't know
pa
why it
lang.
went down there. Okay, mental
Mag-i-start pa
flu.
lang tayo ng mental fluidal power and
Oh, okay. Sorry, I don't know why I didn't see that.
So, ibang topic na pala yan.
yeah.
Mental fluidal powers, spiritual swinging waves. The 7th of May, 2001. Page 600, folks. Okay. Question. Are only the material swinging waves? Oops. Oh,
Muna tayo. Ano ba yung mental fluidal powers, spiritual swinging waves? Parang bagong topic siya. So, kung mayroong idea ang iba na may paliwanag ito in a very shallow explanation, ano ba siya? Para para mapalawak yung ating unawa as we go on. Kasi bago siyang topic. Mental fluidal powers, spiritual swinging waves. May idea ba ang sino man?
well.
Siguro yung mentally sa physical, tapos spiritual obviously after your ano na ang pinag-uusapan. Ang mental is katulad ng mga telepathy, 'di ba? Habang buhay pa tayo we can contact, nasasagap natin yung mga ano nila. Tapos meron yung mga telekinetic na ano. So, yun lang yung understanding ko sa mental. Pero sa spiritual, in
Para
general, parang yung
bago
katulad ng pakikipag-communicate ng ano. Pero siya,
yeah.
dahil dito sa BM, wala naman yung ganong ano. Yun lang yung mababaw kong pang-unawa.
Mhm. Oh, sige, salamat.
Well, I think, well, is Richie there? Richie? Richie's good at this. Well, in my mind, anyway, from my understanding, like mental fluidal powers would be related to the thoughts, and because the thoughts themselves have have vibrations depending on what kind of thoughts you're producing. Have different energies that are emitted, and then excuse me,
Mm,
spiritual swinging waves, I think, would have probably more to do in my
mm,
mind with our how our with our emotions and stuff. That's what I'm thinking just off the bat. So
mhm,
anyway, we'll see. That's what for me, because thoughts and feelings are the ones that reverberate, that emanate from us depending on what we're thinking and what we're feeling. So
Mhm.
that's the way I'm understanding this at this point anyway, without from just from what I know.
Yeah.
Okay, let's find. Oh, do you have any ideas?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, mental fluidal powers, spiritual swinging waves. 7th of May 2001. We're on page 600. The first question here is: are only the material swinging waves of the mental fluidal powers stored within the bones, or also the spiritual? Answer: it is only the mental swinging waves, as well as these energies and powers, which are stored in the skeleton.
Mm.
Only the mental swinging waves,
Mm.
uh, as well as their energies and powers, which are stored in the skeleton. Question: only the mental swinging waves, the spiritual swinging waves go away? Question: and the spiritual that therefore does not create mental swinging waves? Oh, that's another question. And the spiritual that therefore does not create mental swinging waves?
Mm.
The spirit works nevertheless, which is why there is also indeed a spiritual property.
Mhm.
Answer: the spirit. Uh oh. Wait,
Mhm.
don't go up high, high, high.
Mhm.
Answer: the spiritual swinging waves are of a completely different nature
Mhm.
and of pure spiritual energy. These cannot be stored, and they also cannot be noticed by the human beings.
Mm.
It is only the purely mental swinging waves, energies, and powers of the material block. The thoughts, oh, feelings are there too. The thoughts, feelings, the psyche, and the consciousness through which the mental fluidal energies and fluidal powers are created, which are stored, respectively, deposited in a place or in objects, etc., which is not given with the purely spiritual energies, because these are neutral in
Mhm.
every form, just as the spirit form itself is neutral, and in every form and wise taboo against any external influences. The spirit form itself and the spiritual swinging waves with these powers therefore cannot be harmed by the human beings, just as it also cannot fall prey to an illness, etc. It is fundamentally, solely, and exclusively the material consciousness which can be disturbed and fall prey to illusions. Oh, sorry, to illnesses. Therefore, there is no spirit illness, but rather only consciousness illnesses. Therefore, there is also fundamentally no spiritual property, but rather only a consciousness based property, respectively, a consciousness property because the human being, with regard to his or her ideas and thoughts, does not work with the spirit, but rather with the material consciousness. Therefore, since time immemorial, a fully false term has been used for where's that? Used for the workings of the material consciousness, simply the term spirit, in which case, however, this is no wise corresponds to the material consciousness, which is solely responsible for all ideas, for all creativity, and for the thoughts and feelings, for the psyche, and therefore also for all that which is mentally related. The spiritual swinging waves are therefore of a completely different nature, and they are also not observable and also not visible to the human beings. Question. Good, that was understood. We'll go back to the previous page at the bottom. I know there was something there like an explanation that we. Okay, spiritual. Oh, sorry. Spiritual property is translated from the German words geistiges. Oh, where is that? Uh oh. Geistiges. Oh, my eyes. Geistiges. My golly. Eigen.
It look like Eigentum,
Eigentum, which is what's that?
which is
That
commonly
is
used in the German language to convey the meaning of intellectual property, and hence the wrong usage of the word. Uh, I don't know what did you say?
geistiges.
Geistiges.
Geistiges, yeah,
It's equivalent to
is
spiritual in English, and in
mm-hmm,
Geistiges Agentum, to convey
mm-hmm,
intellectual. The term spiritual property would also be false if were used to convey the meaning of the intellectual property in the English language. Medyo maliliit
uh,
kasi yung ano kaya binasa ko na lang.
yeah, thank you. No, 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 I appreciate it, because especially here in the dark. I'm just glad my iPhone is okay, that's it. We'll go to the next page. Mm-hmm.
Ikaw muna, understand na ba nung ano yung naging question answered? Especially si Ate Helen, baka mayroong gustong i-discuss about material and spiritual. Kasi tinanong
Yeah, so that's good. It helped.
Ate
It
Helen,
helped.
ano
So it's just
Nawala
understand?
ako.
Ate Helen, ano
Nag,
understanding mo to sa binasa niya?
sorry, nawala ako dahil na-drain yung phone ko. Ngayon lang uli ako nakapasok sa inyo. Dinig niyo ako?
Opo,
Oo.
naririnig ka namin.
Dinig. Sorry.
So, ano
Ayun.
understanding
Ayun,
mo
nawala
naman,
ako
ikaw
kaka.
naman ang sumagot doon sa tanong mo kanina, no understanding mo sa material at saka sa spiritual.
So, ang
Magkaiba.
pagkakasabi dito, ang pagkakasabi dito, yung spiritual swinging waves ay hindi nai-store sa ating bones. Pero may tanong ako kanina, kaya lang nawala. Nawala yung tanong ko. As well as the energy's powers, it is stored in the skeleton. Only the mental singing, spiritual singing goes away. And the spiritual, therefore, do not create mental swinging waves. The spirit works nevertheless, which is why there is indeed a spiritual property. Teka. Sige, go ahead kayo. Magbabasa ako. Para meron kasi
Magdagdag
akong
ako.
tanong kanina.
Magdagdag ako.
Yan. Sige. Sige.
Ah, ang maliwanag dito na dapat nating maunawaan ay lahat ng pwedeng maramdaman yung out of our own sensitivity ay manggagaling lamang sa material fluid and corpo.
Oo.
Yung seven senses, yan dyan o iikot yon at saka sa psyche. Therefore, i-emphasize ko, kung napansin nyo sa prayer na i-translate, sa Tagalog, ginamit yung salitang kamalayan, hindi espiritu na dati nakasulat sa Talmud Emmanuel. Kasi lumalabas, walang paraan para makipag-communicate sa espiritu dahil ang espiritu ay neutral. Walang paraan para magbigay din ng impormasyon papunta sa tao. At ang totoo raw, sinasabi dito sa material na ito, ay hindi kakayaning maramdaman ng tao. So, emphasis on neutrality and sensitivity. Kapag nararamdaman, hindi sa espiritu galing yon, nanggagaling yon sa material fluidal forces. Kapag naman i-complicate natin yung salitang impulses, medyo borderline case yung impulses, pero ako mas leaning ako towards material fluidal forces kahit ang ginagamit impulses. At ang nagpapadala ng impulses supposed to be ay material consciousness din ng iba. Hindi galing sa spiritual consciousness. Sa aking tayo ngayon, hindi ko sinasabing ito na ang final. Because there might come a time na tayo mag-dwell deeper into what the spiritual consciousness is and what it can and cannot do. But in the meantime, ang sinasabi, pagdating sa sensitivity ng tao, hindi kakayaning maramdaman ang nanggagaling sa spiritual side, spiritual powers. Nabanggit ko ba yung tungkol sa neutrality ng spirit o ng creational energy? Okay, good. Doon iikot yung idea na dahil neutral siya, wala tayong pwedeng asahan. Hindi rin siya magkakaroon ng biases dahil neutral nga yun eh. So what goes in remains. Yung essences na pumasok remains. Hindi na nga lalabas yata yun eh, kung yun ang pag-uusapan natin dyan. So ang mga makikinabang nun is the overall consciousness block and the consciousness that will be created by the overall consciousness block. But other than that, wala na akong nakikita pang nabanggit na relationship ng spiritual power over the material portion ng tao. Yun lang.
Yeah. Well, thank you.
Ayun.
Yeah, that's a good point.
So yun, thank you, JS. Parang Reynaldo. Yun nga pala yung tanong ko. So, yung balik tayo doon sa spiritista, no? So, yung sinasabi nilang nararamdaman nila, nakikita nila, talagang ipinaglalaban nila yon na ang espiritu ay nakikita, nararamdaman, naaamoy. So, yun ay mental fluidal powers. Yung sinasabi nila na yon. Yun ba? Ganun ba? Kasi sinasabi dito na yung spiritual singing waves are of completely different and pure spirit. They cannot be stored, they cannot be noticed by human being. It is only the purely mental swinging waves, energies, powers, the thoughts, the feelings, the psyche, and the consciousness through which the mental fluidal energies and fluidal powers are created. So yun ba? Kung nandito si Romantico, Benefer, talagang paglalaban niya ang espiritu naaamoy, nakikita at nararamdaman. Ito yung sagot ba?
Me. Neutral positive equalized. So that's why they're on a different I think they're a different frequency, I think. Okay. Will I continue? Okay. Attacks through mental fluidal powers.
Si Francis nagtaas ng kamay. Sorry,
Oh,
Cynthia.
sorry.
Yan, ngayon ko lang nakapansin. Go ahead, Francis.
Tanong ko lang po, yung sa mga camera, sa mga video, um, or may something na didetect nila, hindi nadidetect through infrared, nadidetect, may image siya na gumagalaw, same as human. Paano kaya ma-explain kaya yun? So, kung yun lang, ay tanong ko po pala.
Yeah, that I know that's interesting. Good point you brought up. Yeah, because there's some things, like what was this? A friend of mine, the had twin sisters, and then they were both in a class. There was a reunion. She wanted to go really, but then she died before that reunion. So they were there. So the surviving twin went and attended, and then they were all there. They were taking pictures, and then what's interesting is that there was an image of the sister that had died present there, and what she was wearing was what she was buried in, and but she was there. She was present, so they were wondering, oh, that how did that happen then? And they didn't have any sense or even know that she was present until the picture was taken, and then they saw that it was her and what even she was wearing. Oh, yeah. So
Ano
that's the
ano ano
story.
ang
Eh.
concerns na lumulutang sa nakikita niyo dun sa tanong ni ni Francis, na pwedeng i-focus o ma-focus natin.
Yeah, about these images, or sometimes they depict them as orbs. Like they say they're the spirit of the departed, and then that you don't see it. You don't see it until so the camera is like a neutral device, right? I mean, so when you get stuff like that, what's it all about? I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's
So
maybe.
you're looking for a validation. How come mayroong na-observe na parang usok, korting tao, and or
Yeah.
Oo.
nag-manifest sa mga photo? Yun ang tanong ninyo no?
Well, I
Paano?
think
Mm-mm.
I think maybe subconsciousness of the people that were there on a subconscious level, they knew that she had died, that she wanted to join. So maybe it was that the thought forms from all those who knew her. But the thing that's really interesting is, oh well, I guess the sister saw her buried in those clothes. She's the only one who would probably know, or maybe some of them, maybe also. Wait a minute, where was she? I'm trying to think where she died, whether it was in the States or something like that. But that was what was interesting, was that in the image she was wearing what she was buried in, this twin
May
of the
kukwento ko
sister.
sa inyo, hoping na
Uh-huh.
masasagot yung concern na yun. Yung isang
Baka may
panganay na
follow-up
anak,
question si Francis para at least tingnan natin yung follow-up question niya. Nag-raise siya ulit ng kamay eh.
o
Meron,
sige,
pwede ako magpala. Kasi meron kasi ako yung parang nakita sa sa video. Pinakita na picture ng in-can na Coca-Cola. Nakakuan siya, nakapixelated siya. Pero, nung tiningnan ko kasi yun, red siya. Pero nung sinasabi niya, totally, nung sa video sinasabi na hindi, sa totoo talaga, walang kulay ang nasa can na yan. So tiningnan ko talaga na nag-focus ako na wala yung kulay ng kulay ng can. So iniisip ko parang hindi una-una kasi naka-registered na kasi sa akin na yung can na talaga yung Coca-Cola in can is red talaga nasa mind ko. Pero kung magpo-focus ako pala nung parang nag-skip ba, parang kung magpo-focus pala ako, wala pala siyang kwan, totally black and white na lang talaga siya. Hindi talaga siya totally na color. Meron kasi yung may mga iba
sige,
rin yung meron
matatamaan
din yung
ano sasabihin ko, Francis.
tapusin ko lang muna po yung yung sa
O sige,
kwan.
tapusin mo.
Kasi yung kumbaga yun yung naka-registered sa atin. Ikwan ko lang din yung sa about meron kasi yung 'di ba yung mga Tesla may sensory, so may mga tao na dumadaan nasa-sensor niya kasi yun registered as human. So meron din part na meron din yung kwan na trinay nila na magkwan sa graveyard na sa sementeryo na walang katao-tao. Meron siya na sense na may mga tao which is wala naman talagang tao sa field na yun. So ibig sabihin nun kung yung vehicle na yun is naka-registered as human. So nasa-sense niya as human form din ng na nasi-sense niya. Although hindi visible siya, pero may yung iba kasi yung sensory ng iba kasi yung sensory ng mga may mga vehicle yung yun yung naka-register sa so human as human form siya. So may signature siya as human form. So yung sinasabi ko rin yung na image although hindi ko alam na wala pala yung kulay na yung inkan ng Coca-Cola biglang pagkapasok pala ng picture na yun is red siya. Nakikita red siya. Pero nung napaisip ako tuloy na yung sinabi na hindi pala walang kulay ang red, doon ko na nawawala yung kulay. Nagiging black and white pala siya talaga. Hindi siya totally. Kasi yun ang unang nakapokus sa mind ko. Yun lang po.
Okay, salamat.
Oh,
Susubukan kong ma ma-address pero not necessarily directly kasi yung tanong mo para kang naghahanap ng ebidensya bakit mayroong na-sense na ganon. Itong kwento na ito tungkol doon sa panganay na anak ng direktor ng nahumildad na si Dr. Bunag. Pangalan niya ay forgot his real name. But then again, uh, ang sabi nung caretaker ng center, ang aga-aga na nagpunta rito ni kapatid na nabunag, kung ano man ang first name niya, hindi ko na matandaan. Paikot-ikot dito sa sentro, wala pa naman sa oras. Iyang pangyayaring yan, ikinwento niya noong malaman niya na namatay na pala yung tao. Kaya siya manghang-mangha. At nakita na raw niya ng kanyang sariling mga mata na buhay yung taong yon. Okay, another point. Papaalala ko sa inyo yung nadaanan natin at ulit-ulit na binabanggit ni Renz na example. nasa pamamagitan ng consciousness, subconscious or unconsciousness ng matandang babae, nagmamanifest yung fluidal forces ng bata doon sa bahay kung saan sila dati. Although yung matanda is in another place already. 2 points na yan. Next point is that yung sinasabi na nakita sa picture, ganun din ang pagmumulan niya. Babanggitin ko kung saan magmumula. Ganun din ang pinagmumulan nung result ng sensing na ginawa doon sa sementeryo na bakit mayroong hugis tao na nadidetect yung equipment. Although equipment yon, hindi natin alam kung how it was influenced by the material consciousness. Yun namang sinasabi mo na ikaw personal na nakita mo yung Coca-Cola na alam mo kulay-pula yung lata, pero nung ma-realize mo na nung banggitin sa'yo na black and white o na-realize mo na black and white pala yung picture, ibig sabihin, binibigyan natin ng napakalaking involvement ang ating mental fluidal powers. Yan ang topic natin eh. Diyan tayo nandiyan eh. Nandiyan umiikot ang kwentuhan natin ngayong gabi na ito eh. Lahat yan, mental fluidal power, material. Kahit pa yung sinasabi mong merong equipment na ginamit, na sensor, ganun-ganon. Hindi natin alam kung sino doon sa mga kasama nung naglagay ng equipment na yon ang may capacity na mag-trigger na lumabas yung mga yung mga images na kagaya ng images ng experience ng matanda na lumalabas while she was very young then. Hindi natin alam yon. Ngayon, ang emphasis dito is bottom line ng lahat ng example na binanggit ko, material fluidal forces. Kung paano yun magmamanifest, kung sino nagtitrigger noon, kung paano yun nagiging nakikita, kung bakit lumabas sa picture, for all intents and purposes, maaring mystical, hindi madaling ipaliwanag. Pero kung pag-aaralan at bibigyan natin ng pahalagay ang pag-aaral na ginagawa natin, ang sinasabi ng material na yan, lahat yan, material fluidal forces. Period.
Okay. Sige, pwedeng mag-share din ng konti. Doon sa kwento ni Francis, no? So, nagdidepende yon dahil nga, tama yung sabi ni kapatid na Reynaldo, na yun ay mental fluidal powers, period. Lahat yun, no? Ngayon, kung ano man yung mga lumalabas, ay nagdidepende doon sa sinasabi dito sa statement na ito, which is solely responsible for all ideas, creativity for the thoughts and feelings, the psyche, and therefore also for all that which is mentally related. So, depende siguro sa iyo, Francis, siguro yung ma-creative yung iyong mind, parang humahayo yung iyong imagination. Siguro doon.
Yung kasi
Tapos
tama po.
nasa
Tama
sayo
po.
kung alin doon.
What I mean ba kasi sabi nyo,
Depende
tinatanong
kasi
nyo
doon
na,
kung alin doon mag-i-stick sa'yo.
hindi, kasi ano ba ang tanong nyo kanina po, di tungkol sa kung bakit human form is yung fluidal energy. Yung ba yung nyo po, yung kanina yung pinakaunang tanong nyo po ba? Siningit ko lang kasi yung po kasi kung ano kasi na 'di ba for example kung ano yung nafe-feel natin kasi feeling natin na ang nafe-feel natin na kasi ang soul kasi nafe-feel na kasi natin yung spirit kasi nafe-feel na natin na it's a human form. Actually, hindi siya nga yung human form. Kaya naka-register siya, nagpo-form siya as human form. So, yun yung sinasabi ko, kung ano yung naka-register sa mind natin, yun yung kwan siya, as nagiging kwan siya.
Lalabas.
Yun lang inaano ko po.
Mhm.
Kasi 'di
Mhm.
ba inano natin na kung as human form ba siya, as orb ba siya or as energy lang siya talaga. Ang kasi naka-registered kasi yung sa atin sa mind kasi natin, pag spirit, human. So, image niya nagiging human. Same as yung sinasabi ko rin na inaano ko na kaya nadidetect siya yung energy na may frequency kwan siya as human signature kaya nadidetect as human signature which wala siyang doon sa area na hindi natin nakikita pero nadidetect siya. Yun lang po yung kwan ko po.
Meron ba sa inyo naka-encounter from the material kung ano talaga itsura ng spirit? Pakirelate lang kung meron kayong na-encounter.
Well,
Ganito,
ah,
bigyan ko lang ng example yung sa mga espiritista, ano, di ba?
Teka muna, yung tanong ko
Yung
muna. Yung
pangitain,
tanong ko muna,
di mag...
meron ba kayong ideya kung ano itsura ng espiritu? Pakibanggit kung ano yung itsurang nalalaman.
Ako wala. Wala ako. Never. Never
well,
akong nagkaroon.
me,
Sa
when
mga
I was,
espiritista, marami.
Ayon sa materials, anong naalala ninyo na itsura ng espiritu, ng creational energy form?
well, I think
Ayon sa material.
my lolo, when I was, that's the only time I saw that though. I was probably about like
No,
6 or 7.
Cynthia, please focus on the question. Ano ang itsura ng spirit form ayon sa material? Ayon sa building materials, anong naalala nyo kung meron kayong na-encounter? Kung wala namang na-encounter, ako magsasabi kung ano itsura.
Kuya, sa ano kuya, kung i-consider mo doon sa book na Arahata at Sata sa we form, ang sabi doon sa first page, we come to you in a form of a sphere. So kung ano man yung sphere na yun, malaki, maliit, it's sa closeness sa parang bilog. So siguro ang bilog is symbolizes some form of infinity. Pero sa
So,
we form yun, sa we form, pero yung
anything else?
wala
Mali.
na.
Ako meron.
It's like a needle. Yung tuldok lang
Yes,
yung
nadali
dulo
mo,
ng
Madam
needle.
Thor. Nadali mo, eksakto natumbok mo. Ganun lang kaliit, ganun lang simple. Kaya yung sinasabi na kesyo ganun, kesyo ganito, nakakita ng ganun, nakakita ng ganito, galing yun sa espiritu. Zero base. Paano magkakaroon ng 14 tao yung middle point? Kuha niyo yung point ko, kaya ako, medyo pinahirapan ko
Mm.
kayo ng konti kasi gusto
Mm.
ko matest din yung waters. Ano bang alam nyo? Kung wala kayong alam, ibig sabihin, kailangan alamin. Hindi kayo pwede, hindi maganda na umasa lamang na kung ano yung alam ng iba, baka mamaya inililigaw na kayong nagsasabing ito alam ko. Kaya pinakamaganda, bawat isa magkaroon ng striving na alamin on his or her ways, exclusive ways, kung paano niya ma-search yun. Ang galing na nga ng computer natin ngayon, ang dali-dali nang maghanap. Maghahanap na lang, hindi pa tayo maghahanap. Wala na tayong ibang sisisi, kundi ating sarili. Kung aasa lang tayo na mayroong magsasabi, paano yung kapaligid sa atin, wala rin alam. Anong may dadagdag? Di wala. It's a good thing, si Madam Sor, alam, middle point. Thank you.
Si Francis nag-raise ng hand.
So, yun nga, yung aking binabanggit nga na lagi kong kinukumpare sa mga espiritista nga na depende nga sa tao dahil yung creativity natin at saka yung yung flow of thoughts natin, yung feeling, psyche, eh depende doon yung makakakita. Kasi nga yung pag nag-i-start ng session bago ituloy yung session after na magkaroon ng mensahe, tinatanong ang mga miyembro, ano ba yung nakita nyo? So, kung totoo yung espiritu na sinasabi nila, no? Ang sinasabi nila, dapat isa lang kung ano yung nakita. Eh, iba-iba yung nakikita. Iba-iba. Sabihin na, yeah, may kalapate. Sabi nung iba, may aklat. Iba naman may garden. So, iba-iba. So, meaning, iba-iba
Subjective
yung
siya.
flow of thoughts ng mga tao. Yung creativity ng bawat tao, kung paano nila tingnan. At I would consider na totoo yun kung ano man yung nakikita nila. Ngayon ko
Tama po kayo.
inaano sa sarili ko na whatever nang sinasabi nila is true. Oo, true.
Yes,
Dahil yun
tama
lang
po.
ang level ng kanilang oo, yes. Yun lang. Thank you.
Mag-o-offer ako ng ibang salita to cover the
Ah,
idea.
pwede ako mag-add lang ako
Sandali
kay
lang,
Kwan. Kasi,
Francis. Sandali lang, Francis. Kapraso lang itong sasabihin ko. Ang sinasabi ko, mag-o-offer ako ng salita to replace creativity. I'm not really meaning to replace it, but something more appropriate. Ang nakikita kong salita is imagination. Kapag ginamit mo yung salitang yan, any which way pwede. Kahit saan pumunta yan, dahil imagination mo yan, pwede. Yung imagination ng iba, maaaring iba doon sa imagination mo. So, hindi magkakapare-pareho. Kaya yung dalawang nag-i-imagine, hindi magtatagpo yun dahil ginagamit imagination. Ngayon, uh, kung totoong sensitive sila na nakakakita, pag-usapan natin ano yung nakikita. Doon ako pupunta sa material fluidal forces. Kung ano man yung napansin nila, kung depende sa sensitivity,
Right.
doon lang pwedeng umikot, hindi sa creational energy form. Kaya misnomer na sabihin na yung kaluluwa, yung spirito, yung soul, ay iisa ang meaning. Dito sa materials ni Daily, iba ang soul, which is equivalent sa sight. Iba rin yung material fluidal forces, which is compared to the the seven senses. And definitely, iba dun sa spiritual, what we call that, or whatever, some sa spiritual side. Nakita natin yan, the last few pages, ang liwa-liwanag yan few sentences. Nakita natin na magkaiba sila, hindi sila pwedeng magkapalit. So, kung kayo bilang nag-aaral, pag-aralan natin, pag-aralan pa ninyo kung hindi pa nyo nauunawaan at gumawa kayo ng sarili nyong investigasyon at base sa magiging investigasyon ninyo, magbuo kayo ng inyong pagkaunawa. Pwedeng bluntly sabihin, hindi pala naman tama yung mga experiences na nakikita natin sa mga sentro natin na nung unang panahon akala natin yun na nga.
Para
Anyway,
sa akin, tama yun. Pero nandoon siya sa kategory ng mental fluidal power. Yun
yun ang
ang
binanggit ko
ini-emphasize
Yun
ko na
yung point.
andun pala dahil dalawa
Yun
pa
ang,
yan.
yun ang conclusion.
Pinaglalaban ng mga espiritista na espiritu yun. tayo, di ba? Pero
Kaya nga,
yung pala,
panahon
nandun
na
pala
para
sa
mabago
kabila,
yan.
mental fluidal power pala yon. So, yun,
Kung,
thank you.
kung tatanggapin yung bidding materials, panahon na para yan maunawaan ng mas maayos. Si Francis may sinasabi, pinutol ko, pasensya ka na Francis. Madidimutin na lolo mo kaya pinangunahan na kita, pasensya na.
Okay lang.
Go
Tama
ahead.
naman po kan lahat. Yung kan ko lang kasi, yung tinutukoy ko lang kasi kung yung sinasabi nga ni Tita Helen, yun nga kung ano yung nasa kasi tayo kasi yung kasi ako si kung ang yung sa material kasi kung yung una-una ang na inano na talaga ng mga magulang ko. So ang tingin ko kasi yung sa fluidal energy na as thin as kwan yung ang sinasabi niyo as thin as thread na kwan yung parang pointed na as needle. So yun yung makikita ko hanggang paglaki ko. Yun yung naka-registered sa hindi kasi ang naka-registered kasi sa mind ko kaya na sometimes nakikita na is kung ano yung naka-registered na syempre yung mga pinapalabas sa atin, yung mga kung ano talaga yung spirit form, ganito, ganito siya, ganito sa mga tao na siya, nagiging kwan siya, ganito. Kaya yun yung, kung ano yung naka-registered na sa kwan, yun na kasi. Pero kung una-una pala na inano ako na yung talaga as needle talaga, yun talaga makikita ko hanggang ngayon.
Richie,
Kasi yun yung
Richie,
naka-registered sa mind ko. Yun
Richie,
lang.
siguro napapanahon para i-share
Yes.
mo kay Francis yung video na isinyer ko sa inyo. Makikita yung importansya ng mga salita doon. Masasagot yung concern ni Francis na yan. Hindi kasama sa messenger ko si Francis eh. Hindi
Nasa
pa kami
Malaya.
nag-stop.
Nasa,
Hindi ako
naka ano siya.
kasama. Doon, pwede
Mm.
mong makuha ron, Francis, kung pagtsatsagaan mo.
Ay,
Pero
sige po.
kung meron kayong direct PM, paki pagtsagaan mo na, Ricky, pakibigay na kay Francis.
Mm.
Mayabang ako eh, nagyayabang ako eh.
Sige po. Yung bago
Okay.
lang na, yung bago niyong sinend sa akin, private message, meron ako nakita doon video. Yun ba yun? Hello? Yeah? Hello?
So, pwede sumingit pa ako ng konti. So, Francis, ngayon na nalaman mo na meron palang dalawang klase ng powers natin. Ano? Ang tanong diyan, ano ba ang pupuntahan mo? Ano ba yung kahalagahan na meron kang ganun? Kasi hindi naman lahat ay meron eh. Ako, wala akong ganung mental fluidal powers na yung ganun nakakakita. Wala akong ganun. So, tatanungin mo na lang sarili mo, ano ba ang pupuntahan nito? Ito ba'y aking i-develop? Ano ba ang magiging tulong nito sa akin? At sa pagpapatuloy ng ating pagbabasa, siguro mayroong tayong madidiscover pa kung ano pa ang hahantungan ng merong mga mental fluidal powers. Yan.
Yes po.
Okay, thank
Yung
you.
dito kasi natutunan ko talaga. So nag-iiba siya. Kung mag-switch ako, so kung magwawala ako ng pakialam sa mga ganyan, nawawala siya, hindi ko nasi-send something, ganun. Sometimes mag-on lang siya, parang kung gusto ko ganun. Pag yung parang wala akong hindi ko siya nasi-sense, wala. As in normal na tao talaga. Wala akong na kahit parang wala man ako na ngayon ganito mga ganun. Wala talaga po. Pag gusto kong parang pinapabayaan ko lang kasi busy sa ito wala talaga. Pero meron talaga times talaga na every talaga ano ba yun nangyayari every 2 to 3 to 4 ganyan lang ang oras na yan. Yung oras na may nararamdaman talaga ako. The rest wala mga more tuwing mga umaga hapon wala akong nararamdaman po. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Meron akong experience diyan dahil kami ni Renz at saka ni Lito Hilidon, meron kaming napasukan na isang pag-aaral diyan sa Los Baños. 1 month 'yon, nakakulong kami. Vegetarian ang aming kinakain at saka talagang pag-aaral ay hanggang gabi. Ang pangalan niya, yung master, ang pangalan niya Mr. P, no? Hindi niya, basta ganun lang, tatawagin mo lang siya Mr. P. May edad na siya. Eh di, meron din kaming kasama, yung pinsan ko, ganyan din. Marami siyang nakikita na katulad mo rin na ganyan. Alam mo, siguro hindi ko lang alam kung bakit si Mr. P ay hindi ko alam kung na-intriga or what dahil ang punto niya ay hindi naman ganon. Katulad din sa material na hindi tayo, kung meron man tayo noon medyo sasalain natin, hindi lahat ng mga nakikita natin, i-entertainin natin. Alam mo, nilak niya, nilak, nilak yung nakikita nung pinsan ko. Alam mo, nagalit yung pinsan ko. Sabi niya, bakit wala akong nakikita anong ginawa mo sa akin? So simula noon, hindi siya nag-attend. At hanggang sa, hindi naman sa pag-ano, hanggang sa siya ay nawala ng pag-asa dahil pinaniniwalaan niyang mahigpit yung kung ano yung nakikita niya. Alam mo, ano siya, na-depress hanggang sa namatay. Namatay siya. May edad na rin naman. Kaya lang talagang na-upset siya dahil nilak, may kakayanan yung Mr. P na yun na ilak kung ano man yung nakikita. Yun lang. Yun lang. Hindi ko
I-emphasize
alam
ko
kung
lang,
anong...
ko lang. Kasi,
i-emphasize ko lang, yung keyword na applicable sa concern mo, Francis, is ayon doon sa composition ko, is yung word na nalukuban. Pag-aralan mo yan, kasi
Uh-huh.
yan pagka malakas ang power niyan, talagang kahit ano makita mo, babaliwalain mo eh. Kasi nakatuon ka na ron eh. Meron ka ng lambong na nakapaligid sa'yo eh. Walang silbi na kahit merong nangyayari sa paligid mo, ay ma-realize mo na yun pala ang dapat mong makita. Pagkat ang tinitingnan mo lang, kung ano yung nasa loob ng lambong. Kaya I suggest, first things first, Ricky, pakishare, tapos Francis, pakinggan mo lang namaya kung gusto mong basahin. Meron
yes
text
po.
part yan. Napakahalaga niyan. Makikita mo rin dyan yung epekto ng mga kasulatan. Anyway.
Ang kwan ko lang, i-share ko lang kasi sa totoo kasi talaga, hindi talaga ako nakiki-share or sinasabi to sa mga sa mga kaibigan ko, tao or sa katrabaho ko. Kasi hindi kwan sa kanila, hindi parang hindi tanggap or parang abnormal ka, neurotic ka, mga ganito. Never ko yan i-share sa mga or sa neurotest namin sa mga kwan. Never ko
eh,
i-share kasi
find out, find
hindi
out
ka
for
normal na
yourself.
tao. Ang dito lang kasi na meron pala ganitong kwan na kwan na tao. Meron rin nagsi-share na may nagkakwan di pero hindi ako nagsi-share sa kanya kasi hindi rin talaga ano tawag dito, hindi talaga totally kwan ba. Yung parang buong buo talaga na same na as ka weird ko ganito na may something
Questionin mo rin yung capacity mo, yung capability mo. Put it in a chopping block, put it in under the microscope. Baka naman from the very beginning, yung kinatatayuan mo ang dapat na bago. So, don't
eh,
bother with the others. Concern with yourself only in the meantime. Pagtibayin mo kung saan ka dapat tumayo. Yun lang ang message ko. Thank you.
thank you po.
Kung gusto ko lang dagdagan. Kasi ngayon dyan sa pineal gland natin, pag active siya, makikita mo yung mga thought worlds na yan. So ano bang meron dyan sa mga thought worlds na yan? Yun yung mga thoughts ng tao na nandyan sa hangin, na nagta-travel. So kung whatever yung thoughts na iniisip ng tao or pinoproject, it will be manifested sa pineal gland mo kung talagang deceptive siya. So, sa mga contact notes ni Billy, may nakita siyang si Satan ba or si Devil, pero not necessarily nag-exist yun. Parang it was projected out of his mind. Kasi parang may kwento dun sa contact report na yun nga parang na-project niya si Devil because yun yung niisip niya. So, malakas yung pineal gland niya. So, napoproject yung ganun. So, sa mga discussion natin dito sa book na Fluidal Forces, sa mga pictures, may mga, kung gamitin natin yung term na spirit na nag-picture sila, nakita nila yung relatives nila doon sa picture na family photo na nandito si Lolo or nandun si ganito, nag-manifest. So, claims na nakakita daw sila ng soul or spirit ng past relatives nila. Pero ang explanation doon ni Billy, it's in the fluidal forces, power of thought and mind na sa sobrang lakas nun, it can disturb yung mga ganyang material things like the photos. Tapos, ganun din sa recording, yung mga recorder ng tape, pwedeng mag-manifest yung voices ng mga relatives doon na nag-appear na nandoon, na nagsasalita, may simple message, ganun. So, ang originator nun is yung tao mismo. Kung ganun gaano kalakas yung niya, power of thoughts. And then we'll move further up. Sa Pilipinas din nangyari siguro yung mass concentration ng thought ng tao. Hindi ko na maalala kung anong church yun, yung Petals na
Sa Lipa,
Talipa.
Batangas.
Parang ganun yata. And then time nung Taglagas. And then nakita nila dun sa Petals is nandun si Mary, nandun yung Holy Family, ganun.
Rose Petals.
Rose Petals. So sinasabi nila na this is the divine miracle or communication from God na talagang without a doubt evidence yan kasi how come sa nature nag-print. So kung di natin talaga pag-aaralan ng gusto ang material ni Billy, so we will be carried out na talaga na ako sa Catholic. Pero
or
if you
remain
yes kuya.
Remain where you are.
Ganon.
Kailangan pala baguhin. Kasi as a reminder, yung nagre-register sa mga buto, dots and dashes yan, tama at mali, papasok dyan sa mga buto na yan eh. At ang totoo, yung iba, kahit hindi niya sariling buto yun, kaya rin niyang kumuha ron eh, kung kaya niya.
Kumamatch na yung frequency, yep.
Kaya pagka nagkatulong-tulong yun, ano ba naman yung image nga ni Mama Mary sa Fatima daw, manufactured din daw yun eh. Of course, may influence din doon yung mga bapat. But if it can be done by bapat, it may or may not have to have bapat para mangyari yun. Especially kung mass hallucination, let me use the term, mass imagination, mass ligaw, mass misled.
Misled.
Yun lang. Kaya babalikan ko yung aking huli sinabi kay Francis. Ang makakaalam kung ano ka, ikaw. Ikaw din ang makakaalam kung saan dapat ka pumunta ayon sa iyong pag-aaral. Ayon sa hindi dahil narinig mo kay Tandanjon o kay Ricky o kay Sor, ganun na nga, na middle point pala yung spirit. Para masiguro mo, do your own thing. Para nang sa ganun, pag ikaw ang tinanong, ganun, doon ko nabasa yun eh. Napag-aralan ko, medyo logical naman pala. Kaya buhat ngayon, hindi na ako nag-iisip na yung nakikita kong ganito, ganun, galing doon. Di binura mo na yung dati mong kinasasayuan. Natuto na in the process. Nag-evolve na in the process. Nagkaroon na ng napakalaking pagbabago. kisa naman doon sa pangkaraniwang ginagawa natin ngayon eh. Totoo ba yun? Ganun eh. Hindi naman yan eh. Ganun, ganito eh. Walang direksyon. Di doon tayo sa may direksyon. Thank you.
Yes po, wala naman akong inaano sa kwan. Ang kwan, 'di ba for example, 'di ba dito sa material is needle nga. So from time to time 'yon, so maglalabas na yung tunay na form talaga yung makikita ko or some baka makikita ko na ang inaano ko lang, tinutukoy ko lang kung bakit na ganun yung mga ibang tao nakikita nila, bakit human form. So yung
Eh,
mga
hindi mo pala
in-example ko lang
naintindihan
po.
yung pinag-usapan natin eh. Born out of imagination yan.
Yes nga po.
Yung
Wala naman din
imagination.
po ako sa...
Hindi, I want to prove to you na kaya ganun ang nangyayari dahil walang definite basis.
Yes
Ang
po.
magandang gagawin humanap ng logical at saka reliable basis na mabubura ang doubt, na mabubura na ang maling paniniwala at pagtunawa. Pakinggan mo yung video, makikita mo yun doon.
Oh, sige, proceed na tayo kung wala na. Kasi baka masagot yung mga tanong ng pa ni Francis. Eh, at ako din, gusto ko rin malaman kung ano pa. Tayong lahat, mapapalawak pa lalo natin yung ating kaunawaan tungkol dito sa dalawang kategoryang itong mental fluidal power at spiritual swinging wave. Sige, tuloy na lang natin ang basa.
It's a new topic po.
Doon tayo,
Nasaan na si Cynthia?
doon tayo start sa attack.
Cynthia. Ayan. Nag-break na tuloy si Cynthia sa haba ng ating conversation. Cinth, Madam. Ate Helen, ikaw na muna magbasa since wala si
O sige,
Cynthia.
kung ano. So yung sumunod na topic ay
Nandito
attack.
ako, nandito ako.
Oh, sige.
Sige, attacks.
Attack.
To
Oo.
mental fluidal powers, information from the storage banks, new and old personality, overall consciousness block,
Mhm.
psychophysokinetic powers and processes, mental block, dreams. Okay, this is the 2nd of July,
Mhm.
2001. Question. It was once mentioned that overall consciousness block are able to attack human beings via the mental fluidal powers,
Mhm.
and that could last
Mhm.
for hundreds of years. Are there
Mhm.
now personalities from the last life which are not yet completely from which
Completed.
are not yet completed from the
Completed.
overall consciousness block, or personalities which are completed and worked out and still stored somewhere? After that which has been explained, it is quite clear that the overall consciousness block is likewise a storage and can thereby also attack. Answer. That
Mhm.
is not right. Because obviously something was falsely understood, but an answer is nevertheless necessary. Through formerly used mental fluidal energies and fluidal powers, human beings cannot be physically attacked, but rather only in the wise that unpleasant thoughts and feelings appear when any manifestations via formerly stored mental fluidal energies appear. Some human beings simply say, out of ununderstanding, that the overall consciousness block attacks. But in reality, it is not this itself, but rather the new personality which has been created and born in the overall consciousness block. That, however, cannot be simply and easily made understandable to the human being with a few words because he or she is still befallen by spiritistic belief
Mhm.
base things which he or she hangs on to and which influence him or her. In reality, the overall consciousness block itself does not release anything to the outside, but rather only the new and born personality in this current life. This new personality is contained in the new consciousness created by the overall um, conscious by the overall consciousness block from the neutral energies and powers of the old dissolved personality. And this new personality, through the subconsciousness, then also only generates the corresponding impulses through which formerly stored mental fluidal powers can be manifested, as has already been explained on various occasions. This, however, is related to the fact and is to be understood in the wise that the respective human beings who are attacked by the consciousness block, respectively, more rightly from the subconsciousness of the new personality, exhibit a strong mental sensitivity through which they perceive, in a fine fluidal wise, the manifestations of the formerly stored mental fluidal powers as annoying. Through such a severe sensitivity, as mentioned earlier, such an occurrence can then be considered, respectively, taken to be an attack that, however, only happens if a tremendously strong sensitivity really exists with the attacked person. The triggering, respectively, activation of the manifestations by the currently living new personality can have various reasons. So the whole thing can, for example, be based on deep love or on abysmal hatred, as well as on memories, jealousy, anxiety, fear, or other things. Where am I now?
Sisingit ako.
Diga.
Napakahalaga niyang
Teka muna, ang
nababanggit.
Kuya Jun, pasensya na. Pasensya na ha. Kasi last paragraph na lang yan sa page na to. Para pag nag-turn tayo sa susunod na topic, hindi mabibitin tong huling paragraph na to. Pabasa na lang natin and then saka tayo mag-discuss. Okay?
Okay. Depending on the strength of the triggering factors, the manifestations of the stored mental fluidal energies, respectively, fluidal powers can also appear correspondingly strongly with the fluidal powers, in which case, however, the overall consciousness block has nothing to do with it. Any back connection, respectively, back coupling to formerly stored mental fluidal energies of the former personality occurs fundamentally through the subconsciousness of the new personality. Therefore, everything originates from a currently living human being, from whom connections are established to mental fluidal powers of an old personality. Through him or her, the connecting impulses are then transmitted in a back coupling manner into the formerly stored mental swinging waves, through which manifestations then arise. The whole thing simply happens by the fact that strong thoughts and feelings are sent out by the living human being, which are then radiated through the material consciousness and subconsciousness, and thereby a connection can arise.
Okay, Kuya Jude.
Okay.
Kung ano man yung
Sige.
thought mo dito.
Oo. Simple lang ang akin. Ah, yung bawat isa na nabubuhay ngayon ay may kanya-kanyang consciousness block. Ginawa yan ng overall consciousness block. At yung consciousness block na ito ngayon ng bawat isa ay may kakayahan na mag-back connect. At kung ano yung makukuha niya dun sa kanyang sariling buto na nakaraan or yung iba't iba pang nakaraan, apektado ang kanyang subconsciousness. In the same way, pati yung buto ng iba na kaya niyang puntahan, makakaapekto sa kanyang subconsciousness. Anong resulta kung ang bawat isa ay ganyan? And definitely, diyan mo makikita kung bakit meron kang kaibigan, meron kang mahal sa buhay, meron kang overprotective na ganito, meron kang overpowering na ganito, meron kang mga hindi makasundo. So lahat-lahat yan, variations yan, kung paano nabuo ang subconsciousness ng bawat isang consciousness o bawat isang personality. Kaya naman, ang posisyon lagi ang pagtibayin mo yung sarili mo. Liwanagin mo ang maaari mong liwanagin ngayon para nang sa ganon kung ano man yung mga keyword lambong or wrong information or wrong upbringing or wrong experiences o hindi pa napaprocess ng mga experiences, mga wrong notions, wrong beliefs, bad faith, lahat yan kasama riyan, diyan iikot yan. Anong halaga na malaman natin yun as early as now? Abay, para yung susunod na kung totoo ang reincarnation at kung totoo rin yung bago na namang panibagong consciousness na i-create ng overall consciousness doon sa susunod pang buhay mo, ay hindi naman kasing grabe nang nangyayari sa ngayon. In the same way, yung relasyon sa iba, mababago din. Kaya, ang bottom line na sinasabi rito is, ang importante sa lahat, maalis natin yung lambong. Makakawala tayo sa kulungan. Maipairal natin ang sarili nating kalayaan. Makalayo tayo sa pagkakalukob ng kung ano ang mga nakaraan. Kung ako lang sa inyo, hindi lang pangit sa akin manggaling, pero kung merong makapag-share ng video, paki-share natin dito dahil umiikot diyan talaga yung usapan natin ngayon eh. Hindi dahil bias ako. Hindi dahil sa I'm raising my own share. Hindi. Makapalagay ko, makakapagbigay ng mas maliwanag na pagpapaunawa kung papakinggan natin yung video. Yung laman ng video. Kung meron lang makapag-share, lalong magaling. Madam Moderator, baka pwede ka. Thank you.
Kuya John, pag sumikat ka na, pa-autograph ako sa'yo.
Lahat ng aking pangangailangan ay abot kamay ko na. Hindi ba sa pagkasanggol pa lamang natuto tayo na dumapa ayon sa ating kakayahan? Gumapang ng unyapit, umampang humakbang ayon sa ating kakayahan. Kung bakit ayon sa makasariling pagnanais at kaisipan ng kung sino pa ang mga mahal sa buhay ang siyang nakilap sa pagdapa, pangunguyapit, pagapang sa tulong ng kanilang dalawang kamay. Pinagamit ng andador, ngunit hindi tumigil kahit pa may sarili na tayong kakayahan. Iniaalay pa ng kanilang sariling kamay upang ika'y hindi tayo masaktan kung madupilas. Inihanda ang lahat-lahat, inihain at isinubo, maging ang mga mugmog, maging ang laya ay pinigilan. Huwag ganyan, huwag yan, hindi dapat yan ganito. Sumunod ka lamang sapagkat ikaw ay wala pang alam. Pinairal ang kanilang sariling unawa at maging mga maling pananaw at paniniwala. Lumaki nag-aantay lamang, di kinayang magsubok man lamang upang makabuo ayon sa sariling pag-aaral. Natulungan pa ng naglipa ng pananaw na ayon ni ka sa kasulatan. Ganito at ganito lamang, ngunit tatapwat subalit salamat na lamang. At may nasumpungan higit sa mga ito, hilingin sa sariling kamalayan lamang. Isagawa at pagsumikapan na malaman, unawain at isabuhay ay husto na. Hindi pala malayo sa sarili ang maaring asahan ng buong buo. Lahat ng aking pangangailangan ay abot kamay ko na. Di na kailangan ng mga kamay, kaisipan, paniniwala na sa dati-rati ay kaagapay. Wala pala silang maitutulong upang ang sariling pagnanais ay matupad. Yung sa iyo lamang at wala ng iba pang maring asahan. Sana kayo din.
Okay po, baka nakatulog na kayo sa kanta. Kung kailan pa
Baka,
Maganda.
baka
Maganda
umiyak
siya.
yung iba. Baka naiyak yung iba.
Yeah.
umalis na si Way. Nag-ano na.
Umiyak si Way.
Sige.
Maganda siya. Uulitin ko ulit.
Music ako kanina pang
Nag-music.
baga. Music ko yan eh.
Yun o.
Si Jacob pala yung umalis na. Okay, maraming
Thank you.
salamat
Hindi na
po
po.
sa inyo hanggang sa
Salamat
muli.
po.
Yeah, kapatid.
Salome.
Thank you so much for
Salome.
sharing,
Salome.
June,
Salome.
everybody.
Magandang buhay.
Yeah, thank you, Salome.
Salamat.